What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mila B, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be doing this hair and styling it with my favorite product, Wakati Oil Infused Cream. I am going to be rocking bobby pins on one side. So the way I'm going to part it is by doing flat twist on one side and then free flat twist on the other, just like so. So what I'm going to do for this other side is I'm going to part my hair going up and just flat twist it and let the twist hang. So that ways, when I do decide to take my twist out, I put my bobby pins on and it's just as if they are holding my hair back. And it's just curly and it's flourishing and it is looking really good. So like any part of your hair, I'm going to saturate with water, use my oil infused cream by Wakati and detangle. And I'm going to start by parting my hair going up to the crown of my head and just start flat twisting it to my scalp. And I do this same process for the remaining three on this side. And that's pretty much this hairstyle. Really simple, really easy, and really cute. So with that being said, you guys are to do like, share, comment. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.